Good morning. Welcome back to the chemical bonding valency, bond theory, and hybridization. We have seen the up to sp3 hybridizations and all these things. Now we will see normally not so prominent these things, the D block hybridizations also. More this thing is one is DSP2, sp3 D2, sp3D, sp3d2. In this I also two varieties and all these things we'll see more this thing. That means we have seen already the same energy level orbitals can participate in the hybridization and all. So these are the normal prominent this thing and all. So sp3d, one of the prominent sp3d, how it will form. With example we'll see, that is phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5 or PF5. We'll see how it will be. This phosphorus, first we'll see the what is atomic number. Atomic number is nitrogen family, that means it is atomic number is 50. Means why it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. These both are in. This is the first K, this is the second, this one internal. Then comes to 3s2, 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus means 3p3. This is half filled and this is fully filled. This is the normal structure. But in case of the, whereas in the 3d 0. Here itself is 3 are vacant, 3 half filled, but D is 0. But when one of the s electron is jumping to this, because of the same energy level, if it is jumping into the 3D, it will be looking like this: 3s1, 3p3, 3d1. Totally how many? This will be totally 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5. 1 plus 1. So it is meeting the norm of sp3d. sp3d, one s is orbital, one s, 3p orbitals and 1 d orbital is mixing and giving as a 5 sp3, 5 sp3d orbitals, and forming the PCl5 or PF5 like so one chlorine, chlorine. Then interestingly, there will be two different angles. One is 90 angle, another is the chlorine angle is here 120 angle. So that is the different. This is called a trigonal bipyramid structure. So that will be the either PF5 or PCl5. It is almost same. So there is not much any different variations and all these things. Now interesting this one is sp3d2. sp3d2, there are two kinds. One we will see first, boron pentafluoride. Bromine, not boron, bromine pentafluoride. So if you see the bromine atomic number, the chlorine family, it will come, that is nothing but the 35 is this one. If you see 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. This is in the 3 family. Then comes to means 6 plus 8, 2 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 18, 28, another 17 is there, 28, another 7, means 3s2, 3p, this is boron is a chlorine family, so 3p5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus this is 28, 7, 35. Now sorry, this is 4s2 and 4p and 4d 0. Here s is full. In the p also, how there are out of 3 this thing, 2 are with the paid and only 1 electron is available. So normally this type of hybridization only in the metals and all these things only supposed to be, but whereas the Here also in the p family also total 6 orbitals has to be required. That means 1 1 1 s. Here one electron is jumping from here to d, and here out of the two pairs one more electron is jumping to here. That means 4s, 4p, 4, one lone pair and the two vacant, and 4d2. Okay, how many? 1 plus 4, say 1 plus 4, 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. The 4, 1 plus 4, 6, yes, 5 plus 2, 7. It is supposed to be that much, but what is happening? It is making only 5 bonds, whereas we have 7 this thing. So how it will happen? So this is 4s is making 1 bond, 4d2s are making 2 bonds, and here 2 bonds are with lone pairs. 2 bonds are with lone pairs, and the structure is square pyramid. Square pyramid, and 5 bonds with the 5 fluorine or this thing. Second thing is 2 lone pairs. This is more important to 2 lone pairs. Because of this, it is square planar. Whereas the same sp3d2, if you see, for SF6 molecule, here the sulfur is the oxygen family. Oxygen family means sulfur, it is nothing but 8 plus another 8, that is 16. That means it will be an octahedral. How it will be? Octahedral means sulfur is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 6 plus 10, yes, 16, whereas 3d 0. But here one lone pair is there and 2 vacancies are there. So 1 it will be jumping here, from 1 it will be jumping here. So 1s, 3s1, 3p3, 3d2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. All the 6 are forming the bonds with the S of 6, means fluorine. It will be a S in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, means 5, 6. And angles are equal, everything is perfectly matching, there is no this thing. Whereas if you see, this is also sp3d2, this is also sp3d2, but here this is a 5 bonds only, here 6 bonds. Here 2 lone pairs are there, here 3p3, no lone pairs. No lone pairs. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, here one lone pair is there, and this one. So it is a square pyramid, and here it is a octahedral. All fluorine, 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 sigma bonds and all, bond angles are and all perfectly this thing, and the bond angle is 120. Right. So here it is a octahedral. So one should be more careful while this thing, how many are making 3 plus 2 full and 6. So but whereas 5, that means one lone pair, and the structure is not the regular structure. Here 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, that means it is regular. Here so one can judge from that for the question while answering the questions and all these things. Coordination bond is nothing but one is only the donor donating the both pairs, and one is receiving, one is the acceptor, one is the donor. Normally this is for the metal formations and all. It will be in between the characteristics of the covalent bonds and the metal bonds, or the ionic bonds. All the properties also like the in between, but more closer to the covalent bonds. Coordinate bonds will be. So that is not much this thing. In higher classes only more syllabus will be there. So tomorrow we will see the molecular orbital theory, more interesting how the molecular orbital theory is functioning, and Again, we will see the what is the bond order and what is the bond length and what is the nature of bond, energy levels and all these things. That is the latest thing for the hybridization and all. Okay, thank you very much.